Okay, welcome back. In this video we're going to solve problem number 5. The endpoints of one side of a regular pentagon are -1, 4 and 2, 3. What is the perimeter of the pentagon? So, for this one it would be good to draw just a regular pentagon as well as we can. Okay. So here we've got a pentagon and we are told that two endpoints are this one and this one. So it really doesn't matter where you label it, as long as you do have it labeled. So let's see what the question is. The question is, what is the perimeter of the pentagon? So the perimeter is basically the distance around the edge of the pentagon. So we're going to have to add up this side plus the other 3 sides. So we're going to have to add up the 5 sides to get the perimeter. And notice that they said that this is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon is a pentagon with 5 equal sides. So our plan should be to figure out how long is this side, which basically we can get by finding the distance between these 2 points and multiplying it by 5. So let's try that out. Let's just use the distance formula for this question. Okay, so here's the distance formula. Here's your x1, y1, x2, y2. And then we just plug it in. So x2 is 2 minus x1 is -1 squared, plus y2 is 3 minus y1, that's 4 squared. Okay, then the distance is 2 minus -1 is basically the same as 2 plus 1, because double negative is a positive. So this is basically 2 plus 1, so that's 3. Plus 3 minus 4, that's -1. Okay, so then 3 squared, that's 9, plus -1 squared, that's just 1, because -1 times -1 is just +1. So here the distance is square root of 10. And I noticed that on the exam some students try to simplify square root of 10, but square root of 10 is already in the simplest radical form. There's no way to write 10 as 2 numbers that multiply to 10, and one of them is a perfect square. There's no way to simplify it, so leave it as square root of 10. So this side is square root of 10. And now the other 4 sides are also square root of 10. So to get the perimeter, we can just take one side and multiply it by 5, because there's 5 sides. So we're going to take square root of 10, multiply by 5, and that's it. That's your perimeter. So the perimeter is 5 square root of 10. So really all we did for this question is we used the distance formula to find the distance of one side, and we just multiplied it by 5, because we have 5 sides in a pentagon. Alright, hopefully this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.